Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to try the cold girl makeup look. So I've been seeing a lot of people on TikTok trying out this makeup look, so I want to try it out for myself. Also, this trend is really funny to me because I'm from Canada, so I feel like this is just what I look like during the winter months. I haven't tried out this makeup look for myself yet, so we're gonna try it out together and learn as we go along. So let's just get started. So based on what I've been seeing, the key to this makeup look is you want to make sure you're using very cool tone makeup and you want to make it as dewy and glass skin like as possible. So I already started with my skincare. Now I'm going to move on to the first step of my makeup, which is primer. So for my primer, I'm going to mix together the Say Super Glow Gel in the color Star Glow with the Benefit Professionals primer, which I think is a classic. So the Say Super Glow Gel is the most dewy and cool toned primer that I own, so I feel like it should work really well for this makeup look. And I'm just using my fingers to apply it all over my face. So for your base, you want to do something super light coverage and dewy. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Summer Fridays Sheer Skin Tint. This is very sheer and light coverage, but I love the finish of this product. And I think I might use a little bit of the Flawless Filter in the shade 4.5. I feel like this shade is like kind of cool tone on me. So I just applied some of the Flawless Filter to my cheek. And now I'm going to take the Summer Fridays Skin Tint in the shade 5 and apply it all over the rest of my face. And I'm just going to use my brush to blend it all together. So both of these products are super dewy, lightweight, and glowy, so I feel like they're perfect for this makeup look. If you want a little bit more coverage, you can layer some concealer underneath the skin tint. So next I'm just going to take the tiniest bit of the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand and put a little bit on my brush and just do the slightest littlest bit of contour to my face. I'm not going to do any bronzer because obviously bronzer is more warm toned, and if you're going to contour, try to use your coolest toned contour that you own. And I'm just applying a little bit to my cheekbones and my forehead. So now I'm going to move on to brows, and I'm just going to use some clear eyebrow gel just to brush my eyebrow hairs into place, and I'm just using the Refi Clear Brow Gel. So next I'm going to move on to concealer, and I'm just going to use a concealer that's close to my skin tone just so it looks as natural as possible. And I'm just going to put like a little bit under my eye. So then I'm just going to use a brush and blend it all out. So now that I blended out my concealer, I'm going to move on to one of the more important steps for this makeup look, which is the blush. So for the blush, you want to choose like a cool toned color. So for the liquid blush, I'm going to use the Glossier Cloud Paint blush in the color Storm, and you want to apply this in like a W shape, like on your cheeks, underneath your eyes, the bridge of your nose, and you don't want to forget about the tip of your nose. And I'm just using my finger to blend out my blush. So now I'm just going to set my face with some pressed powder. I'm just using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in the shade 2 Medium. So now I'm just going to do some powder blush, and the powder blush that I'm using is the Hourglass Ambient Strobe Lighting Blush in the color Incandescent Electrica. It's a nice baby pink color, and I love this blush. It's probably my favorite blush that I own. So again, I'm just going to go in the same W motion as I did before, and I'm making sure to get underneath my eyes and the bridge of my nose. Also, you can't forget to apply some to the tip of your nose. So some of the tutorials I was watching said to also apply some to your forehead. So I'm just going to apply some to my forehead in these areas, and they said to also apply some to your chin. They also said to put some of the blush around your lips, like underneath your lips, the top of your lips, and just like around your lips. So this is supposed to give your lips like that dry, chapped look from being outside in the dry, cold air. So next I'm just going to go in with some powder highlight, and I would use a cream highlight, but I don't have any cream highlights that are cool toned, so I'm just going to use this powdered, very cool toned highlight that I have. So I'm just going to apply a little bit to the tip of my nose, give it that nice like frosted look, and then I'm going to apply a little bit to my cheekbones. And I'm just going to also take a smaller brush and just apply a little bit to underneath my brow bone and in the corners of my eyes. So now we're going to move on to lips, and I've seen a bunch of different people use different things for their lips. Some people use a red lip stain, some people used a matte pink lip, but I don't really have either of those, so I think I'm just going to use like a red lip gloss for this. So I'm just using the Fenty Heat lip gloss in the shade Hot Cherry, and I'm just going to put a little bit in just like the center of my lips. And the last step is I'm just going to use the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray and set my whole face. You can also put on mascara, but I have eyelash extensions so I don't wear mascara. But yeah, that's the end of this look. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I think it looks really cute and very just like fun. This is the perfect makeup look to do when you're like outside during the winter and you want a nice like cute wintry look to wear. So yeah, definitely give this makeup look a try. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I post more content daily on there. That's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time for a brand new video.